Hello there friends, welcome to Jenny's Kitchen, and if you're visiting for the first time today, I want to say a very warm welcome to you and thank you so much for stopping by. So on this menu today is oven baked chicken thighs and wings. Now, have you ever thought about how to amplify your basic chicken recipe? Then you're in the right place, so let's get started. Now, our goal is to always make the most tender, juiciest, succulent and flavorful chicken with some nice crispy skin you ever had. Now, in order to do this, we are going to be layering some amazing flavors today by marinating our chicken. The kind of chicken I'm using today is a broiler chicken, which I normally find a little bit less flavorful. I don't know about you, but I do. And compared to the free-range chicken, which you commonly know as the kienyeji chicken. Now, this is why I normally love to give my broiler chicken some love, by allowing it to marinate in these different spices to create one mouth-watering masterpiece that sinks into my chicken. So therefore, I always love to just start by poking through my thighs, and what this does is it allows for my marinade to seep into my chicken. So from this point, let me stop and just let you watch the video till the end. Please don't forget to like this video if you've learned a thing or two. Don't forget to subscribe. Please hit that notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And please, if you ever try to learn or try out this recipe, kindly comment down below, and also you can let me know any other type of food you'd love for me to try out. So bye guys, thank you for watching, till next time, love you, bye.